Hey anglers! Today, I'm sharing 6 keys wild fishing bait techniques that can transform your fishing results. 1. Particle and powder balance. It's like a restaurant dish. Powder attracts fish, and particles keep them eating. For crucian carp, mix 30% millet or crushed corn into the powder. For carp, add fermented wheat grains. Wild fishing. 1:1 powder to particles. Fast action black pit. 60%. Powder plus 40% particles, targeting big fish. 70%. Particles plus 30% powder. 2. Adjusting bait weight. The bait's sinking speed matters. Too heavy for floating means lost signals. Too light for the bottom causes bait to disperse. Bottom fishing needs slightly heavier bait. Floating fishing lighter bait at 10-30 snowflake powder or light bran, and dual layered bait needs a bit of pull powder. 3. Matching flavor to water temperature. Fish taste changes with temperature. Above 15, fruity or grain scents work best. Around 10, add 10-15 fishy flavors. Natural water needs light flavors, and stocked water prefers fishy or fermented scents. Always carry natural baits. 4. Main and secondary bait combo. Base bait is like rice. The main bait is the main dish, and state bait is the seasoning. For crucian carp, use 50-60 broad spectrum blue bait as base bait, 30-40 milk scented as main bait, and 10-20 pulling powder as state bait. Adjusted according to fishing behavior. 5. Water ratio. Beginners often mess up here. Too much water makes mush. Too little makes it hard. Water depth. 4 meters. Ratio 1:0. 8. 2 meters. 1:1.1 to 3 meters. 1:0.9. Measure water with a cup. Let it sit 3-5 minutes. Knead lightly. Adjust with sticky or snowflake powder if needed. 6. Optimal hook bait size and softness. Bait should be soft, sticky, and properly sized. Crucian carp needs soybean-sized bait. Carp needs thumb-sized. It should be as soft as an earlobe, held together but dispersed gradually, with the hook tip slightly visible. Adjusting based on water clarity and fishing behavior. Before fishing, ask what fish you're targeting, water depth, and temperature. Master these steps in patience, and big catches will come.